it's a big sort of overview of everything that's been edited on the site. And there's a little key up here in the top right, and it just explains what the so most of these are done. There's a lot that's with Glut to do. There is a few new entries at the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's broken up into like a section. So there's the product page, the blog page,
Okay.
and all the separate pages off of that.
Okay.
Menu pages, these are to be done. There's been a bit of work being done on the site, so there's been some stuff that's been worked on, so that hasn't been filled out yet. And then there's other content like Google shipping information, and then I'm just adding in any bits that have arisen from doing the UAT work and the QA stuff from the last few weeks.
Okay.
And so one of the things they've raised is that the product images aren't correct on some of the product pages. So it's one of those tasks that's just going through and checking what's correct. So, yeah. So we could be quite methodical about it, and then download all of the products and then check the products individually rather than doing it on the site, because it might be difficult to go through each of the categories and then check the products. It depends how you want to do it really, but I can do a download of all the products and then they could be checked that way. So I'll export a list. And then I can put that list into the content tracker.
Okay.
So we'll do the SKU and the name.
So these are all the product lists?
Yeah, these are all the products.
Okay. Ooh, okay.
There's quite a few. It's going to be one of those tasks that's like, spend a bit of time on it, come back to it.
Yeah.
Because it's going to be a bit dry.
Yeah. So we're not helping them write any content or anything?
No, not helping them write any content. They've pretty much, we've taken what was on the old site
and moved
put it on the new site.
Yeah.
There's some things that still need changing, but we're not writing any content. The pages are more or less the same. They have different page layouts now. It's the only difference really. So if we go into a product page, at the moment, so this product here doesn't have any product imagery. So it would be a case of just checking on all the site the image was. Search. Customized big tree. And then there are two images in here. So they've got these two other product images, which are generic imagery, which they've added to other products as well. So those will already be in the CMS, and it'll just be a case of adding it to the gallery. So if we go down to product gallery here, so it's a separate section. So you've got the product image here, the main product image, and then the gallery is just below it. So there was the fig image and the crate image. So there's this one, and I think it was.
Yeah, it was that one next to it, I think.
One and we got this one.
There's one at a time.
didn't like that. So that's that one done. I'll search for that on the list. Excuse me. And that's basically that task. So it's whether you want to go through the CMS and search for the product within the products section, or if you want to do it on the site. Depends how you want to do it, really.
Okay.
Great. Yeah. I'm going to add it to the gallery here. So I wasn't upload that, but it was done just before Christmas, and it was so fiddly. It now doesn't seem worth going back through that to see what
went through and what didn't.
Gone on.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just got so such like a bit of time spent on it, but I think this way it'll just be dead certain that those things have been done correctly. So that is the let's put this through here. Well, and then there's one or two other things which it's not doing, but so some of these things have been addressed sort of just before Christmas, but they haven't been worked on just yet. So I'm sort of working through the ticket and then making the changes as they've been done.
Okay.
So like this one here had the right modules, the right layouts within the modules to build the page content. So I've put the content on the page just to put it there to say that we've attempted at building out the page and that the content is there to look at. And I think Nath finished the ticket, so that I'm able to go back in there and then finish off that page, but without sort of keeping a track. It's easy to get these things these track of things.
Okay. All right, so I will give it a go. Yeah.
If you have any questions at all.
Yeah, I'll fire away.
Thank you.
All right. Cheers, Martha. Thanks.
Thanks, Tori. Bye.
All right, bye.